Ever wondered how a single point on a circle can unlock a whole family of mathematical relationships? Today, we're diving into the unit circle to uncover the 6 fundamental trigonometric values for a specific point. By the end, you'll see how a point's coordinates directly lead to sine, cosine, and tangent, and then how we find their reciprocal counterparts. Imagine a perfect circle, exactly 1 unit in radius, centered at the origin. This is our unit circle. Now, let's place a point on this circle. Its coordinates are negative square root of 3 over 2 and 1 over 2. The horizontal distance from the center to this point is our x-coordinate, and the vertical distance is our y-coordinate. The first 2 values are straightforward. Cosine of theta is simply the x-coordinate, and sine of theta is the y-coordinate. Next, we find the tangent of theta. It's simply the ratio of sine to cosine, which gives us negative 1 over the square root of 3. To make this look cleaner, we rationalize the denominator, transforming it into negative square root of 3 over 3. Now for the reciprocal values. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so it's 2. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, which simplifies to negative 2 square root of 3 over 3. And finally, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, resulting in negative square root of 3. So, by starting with just 1 point on the unit circle, we've systematically derived all 6 trigonometric values. This elegant system shows how all these functions are interconnected, revealing the beautiful harmony within trigonometry.